Hey, what's up guys? Thank you for watching another of my videos. I'm very excited to show you guys. Sorry it's a little messy here in this table. What I bring you here is the Mark 50, the Iron Man suit. We're working in the faceplate right now. What I want to show you is this is the left side that I'm building. Well, right side depending on where you're seeing it from, but it's the left side. I have built the right side now, and that's how it looks. And this is the foam, well, the templates, the Pepakura files. We try to actually do this into a more easier way to do it. So I don't know how I'm gonna explain this, but I actually use Pepakura on the Foam Smith program. Foam Smith is really good because it shows you the angles and everything that you might be using, and then it gives you this. I forgot what these lines are, but they're the patterns where you have to glue together. Okay, that's really helpful. It has helped me because the first time I actually built anything in Pepakura, I had no idea. Oh, registration marks, that's what it's called. I was really lost, and what I was building didn't come out as good as it could have. So now we're using this. As you can see, I have actually finished the right side, right there, and right here. Armor Smith has been a marvelous thing. What is really giving me an issue is right here. Thank God I actually printed this last year before my 3D printers were done, so all the details and everything. Let me try to show you. Okay, let me try to show you here with just more light. You see this here, this space here and here, and this detail. It was difficult to try to recreate it. If I wouldn't have known that was there, I would have just glued it and I wouldn't have had that detail there. But because 3D printer gave us this first, I was actually to see it and try to recreate it. It's a little difficult because it's foam. I should have followed another kind of pattern, but this is what I thought first. I'm gonna show you the inside. What I did, I just glue it like that a little bit. But what I should have done is, oh, sorry guys, I'm trying to focus here. Okay, what I should have tried to do is put another piece of 6-inch millimeter foam here, and they just create a taper from here to there, but I didn't do it. So I honestly just, what I did, I marked an angle and I tried to recreate it just with that piece. If I would have put another one or maybe a 4-inch foam, I think it would have been better. And everything else was easy. Just follow the registration lines and try to glue it together. I'm using barge cement and it's really good. This one was old, so I actually had to buy another batch because it was not good anymore. It was not gluing the way it was supposed to. But using Armor Smith has given me this, the actual look for it, and I didn't have to fight with it to actually shape it. I haven't heat formed it or anything. So it's working pretty well. As you can see, this is my main one, and this is the other part we're gonna actually glue together. And what I'm gonna do, I'm actually gonna do a video doing it so you guys can see it, how it is. And these are my foam pattern, Pepakura pattern, and all this. It brings a lot of little pieces, but with the actual Armor Smith program, I think it has worked out a lot better than what I was expecting. I really love it. I'm not trying to promote them, I'm not being paid by them, but it does help a lot. Pepakura, Armor Smith, both of them are really good. You can use both of them. The difficult part is trying to give these shapes here. If you don't know, you don't really have anything to actually compare it to, it's gonna give you a little bit of difficult time. but everything else is good. So what I would suggest is, well, once you're building, watch a couple videos. I've been researching about how to do it, how to cut, bevel cuts, and all that. Then I went into Armorsmith, watch a couple videos of their tutorials. Here we are now. It's a trial of error. This is like the 5th, 10th thing I built, and it's difficult because I have been learning. And what I will suggest, always look for an updated tutorial. If not, you're gonna have a issue. But this is what I'm using. It gives you the angles right here. I don't know if you guys can see it. I think you guys can see it there. It actually gives you the angles, registration marks, and everything. So you just gotta look at the program if you're gonna do a bevel in or out, and then you do that. And then this is the right side. For the left side, what we did is just you flip it over. And I kind of do a little bit of registrations of the back of it, so it's kind of similar. And then that's it. We got ourselves a pattern. You just flip it, very easy. Just try to copy it, everything. And if it is any kind of things you really have to do, just mark them and write in your little notes. I'm writing what I'm doing, how I'm doing it. So that's the MK50 Mark 50 faceplate. We're building half of it, and now we're gonna finish the other half. Thank you for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. Let me know what you guys think. Comment down below. Subscribe. Regular thing like always. Have a good one, guys. Peace. Thank you.